Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're just going to jump right into this. You see that I have my fabric cut out. There's the dimensions on the screen, and we're going to take the fabric and fold it to where the wrong sides are facing on the outside and the right sides on the inside, and we're going to go ahead and just pin it down. On each end, I am leaving a 1.5 inch gap to where I'm not going to sew, and you'll see why in just a second. But the rest of this, you're going to sew along the edge, so it should look something like this. You see the ends are not sewn. And then we're going to take our fabric and we're going to flip it inside out. And then once we flip this inside out, you'll see what I'm going to do next with those open edges. All right, so here we're going to sew this, but we're going to open it up. So as you see me putting the ends right sides together, opening it up, you see that I'm pinning just to keep everything in place, matching each corner to each corner, and then we're going to sew along the edge. When you are sewing, make sure that you're doing a back stitch before and after every stitch that you do. This is in every case when you're sewing, just to make sure everything is secure. Okay, so if you gently pull this together, you see that the outside that you just sewn will go on the inside, and then you'll have this little gap. So the fun part, we're going to take our elastic. This is 7.5 inches, and we are going to take this and chase it through that hole. So the best way to do this is if you have a clothespin. This is so you don't lose the elastic while it's inside of the fabric, and you're going to hold the other end so the other end does not go inside of the fabric and you lose it. And we're going to just chase that bobby pin all the way through until you bring it through the opening. Once the elastic is pulled through, you can do this two ways. You can go ahead and just tie a tight knot, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the ends, overlap them, and then just sew them down, doing a back stitch to make sure that the elastic is secure but also lays flat. So that part is optional, but it will look like this. And next thing you're going to want to do is just close that opening once you secure the elastic. All right, final step. So we are going to close that opening. There's two ways again you can do this. You can either go ahead and do a straight stitch along that opening there, but I am going to do an invisible stitch because I don't want to see that. I want this to look as seamless as possible. If you want a tutorial on how to do that, please comment below and I'll be more than happy to show you. But yeah, this is the end result. I went a little crazy and made a couple of them. I might make a couple more in some other colors. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.